Hi! In this video, I will show you how to delete video on YouTube. Go to youtube.com and log in into your account. Click on your YouTube Studio. Click on Content. And in here, we have two options in deleting YouTube video. We can delete it one by one through this three dots option right here. And click on Delete Forever. Or we can delete video by playlist by clicking on three dots option and click on Delete Playlist. So we'll try deleting this video. Click on these three dots and click on Delete Forever. Confirm that deleting is permanent and can't be done. And click on Delete Forever. So your video was successfully deleted. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. Bye!